Let's make some cauliflower and potato tray bake in the air fryer. Let's start by boiling the cauliflower and potatoes. You can cook them straight away in the air fryer as well, but boiling the vegetables first makes a huge difference in the texture because these are soft from inside and then crispy on the outside. Otherwise, I've noticed that cauliflower, it gets really dry. So I've boiled the water first, and now I'm gonna boil these until the potatoes are soft. I've taken about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I add some salt, paprika, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili flakes, and lemon juice, everything. I'm gonna take a baking dish, boil potatoes and cauliflower. Now I'm gonna add some red onions, tomatoes, green chilies, garlic, and ginger. Add the spice mix that we made. This is all mixed up. Now take your air fryer basket. This is gonna go in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. These are done.